everyone! We have a new letter, so I wanted to share this quick video with you in our little slideshow that I have for our phonics lessons. So we're going to be talking all about C. So let me quickly show you our letter. This is the letter C. I have my uppercase C and my lowercase c. First, we're going to learn how to write it. So as I told you before, this big one, this is our uppercase C. This small one is our lowercase c. So as we go through, you can go ahead and skywrite it with me as I'm showing you how to do it on the actual letter. So we're going to start. I'm going to show you first. Start at the top here and curve your finger. Start at the top and curve around. One more time. Start at the top and curve around. And if you're skywriting it, might just look like this. Pretty simple. Alright, let's go over to our lowercase c. Alright, same thing, same type of formation, but we're just starting on the middle line for lowercase c. And just a smaller formation. So watch me do it first. And curve it around. Let's do it together. You can skywrite it. Get ready. And curve it around. And one more time. Curve it around. So if you're skywriting, it just looks like this. Little c. Alright, that's how you write it or skywrite it. Now I'm going to show you how we would write it on lined paper. So starting with our uppercase C, I'm going to start at the very top line and I'm going to make my curve. That's my first one. Start at the top line and touching the bottom line. And there's my curves. Alright, now we want to make lowercase c. So for this one, it's the same type of formation, only we start at a different place. So I want to start at the middle line for lowercase c. So I start at the middle line and make my curve. I'm going to do it again. Start at the middle line and make my curve. Alright, if you're having a little problem seeing, I'll zoom it up for you. That's how you write it. If you want to take a few seconds to go ahead and try and write your uppercase and lowercase c, you can do so. Shouldn't take that long. We're going to start into moving with the sound that C makes now. So here again is my uppercase and lowercase c, and it has a story that goes along with the sound. So use your best listening ears and see if you can figure out what sound the letter C makes. Right? Clara has a cat. Clara and her cat. She combs its curly coat. K, k, k. Clara combs and combs. Were you listening carefully? I hope you heard what sound letter C makes. It's k, k, k. Let's do it together. Get ready. K, k, k. One more time. K, k, k. All right, and I have some pictures here that all start with the k sound, or the letter C. The first one I have here is cat. K, k, cat. I also have, yummy, cake. K, k, cake. Another delicious treat. I also have cookies. K, k, cookies. And last but not least, I have a computer. K, k, computer. Alright, now would be the time if you can think of any other words that start with the k sound. I hope you enjoyed our video. That's all for now.